If you hate your job in Kenya and you do not get inspired every morning when you're waking up to go to work, then you might consider starting and building an online business in Kenya. And this is because it might be able to give you an opportunity to actually work on something that you love, something that you enjoy, and something that will make you get inspired each and every day. This is because you can be able to monetize your knowledge, your skills, your passions, and life experiences by leveraging the power of the internet to actually build an income generating online business in Kenya. Starting an online business in Kenya gives you an opportunity to actually do something that you enjoy. That means you stop having those bad feelings of hating your job, hating your Monday mornings, wasting time in traffic, going back and forth from home to town, probably even spending time with colleagues and bosses, people you do not necessarily like. You might be doing that because you are making money at the moment from the job that you're doing, even if you actually do hate it. But if you're able to start an online business in Kenya, if you can be able to tap into the creator economy or the emerging creator economy, be able to tap into the online business ecosystem and the opportunities that are available to make money on the internet, then you can be able to start and build an income generating online business in Kenya. And that would provide you with 3 forms of freedoms that I actually consider to be very important. You would get the financial freedom because you would be making money from your online business in Kenya. You would get time freedom. You will have the time to do the things that you want to do and do them when you want to do them, which is different from when you are stuck to the 9 to 5 kind of a routine, where you are limited to what you can be able to do because you have to be at work from 9 to 5. The third freedom that you need and that you are going to get is actually location freedom. This is because doing or learning an online business means you can be able to do it from anywhere in the world. All you need is your laptop, your phone, and internet connectivity, and you can be able to provide value to respond to clients from anywhere in the world. And that means you are not limited in terms of location. You can be able to work in town. Let's say if you're in Nairobi, you can work in Nairobi, and at the same time you can work or be able to do your online business from the village. You can still be able to generate revenue. You can still be able to build a business even when you're living outside what you might consider to be the major cities and towns within Kenya. Building an online business in Kenya actually allows you to start living the life that you have always wanted. Because if you can be able to generate money, if you can be able to build enough value to make money, and there are quite a number of ways on how you can be able to make money with your online business in Kenya. There are ways on how you can be able to monetize your online business in Kenya, and you need to spend time to actually understand how those business models, how this ecosystem works. Because once you're able to understand it, then it becomes easier for you to create a plan, to create a strategy on how you're going to go about it. You're going to look at yourself and look at things that you can be able to monetize, whether that's your knowledge, the skills that you already possess, the expertise that you have, probably hobbies, maybe you like football or sports of any sort, and even life experiences. You can actually use things that you already have to actually build an income generating online business in Kenya. Building an income generating online business in Kenya will take 3 steps or 3 phases and systems that you may need to have in place to turn it into a profitable venture. And to learn more about this, watch the videos on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next video.